rub. T club.
SCR.
Scrub. Bug. Tuck.
Read the sentence.
This is a tub. The cup
Is
in the tub. This is a rug. The jug is on the rug. This is a bun. A nun give me the bun.
Now read these words. This is
duck. Sup.
Speak loudly.
Full.
Now this is this one.
Bun.
Speak loudly. TR.
Jump. Brush. Flush. Blush.
Write down first word, that is cub. Say and write down.
Cub. The teacher.
Write down next word, that is rub, everyone. Rub. Start your ear sound here. Next we have tub. Yes, now write down club. Start here from here. Erase it. Okay, write down. Yes, say and write down. Now write down next word. Write down scrub. Say and write down scrub. Yes, scrub. Write down fast. Yes, next word everyone, that is bug. Now write down hug.
टीचर ये मेरा कॉपी कर रहा है. टीचर पहले
Yes, now hug.
The teacher.
Now write down next word, that is jug. Mira, jug. Now write down next word, that is mug. Now write down rug. Rug. Yes, beta, rug. Very good, dear. Now write down tug. Now write down bun. Bun, everyone. Say and write down bun. Now write down next word, that is fun. Now write down gun. Sun. Run. Run beta. Run. Now write down none. None. Write down drum. Now next word, that is plum. Say and write down plum. Yes, very good. PL plum. Yes, very good dear, very good. Perfect. Yes, now write down next word, that is gum. And then very good. Now write down next word everyone, that is done dear, that is up. Up. Yes, up. Now write down cup. Cup. Yes. Now write down after cup, that is pup. Now write down duck. Duck beta. And then say and write down everyone. Yes. Now write down next word, that is suck. Say and write down. Say and write down dear. And then yes beta. Now write down next word, that is tuck. Now write down next word, that is pluck. Pluck. Now write down next word after pluck, that okay, done. Cluck. 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 Very good. Now write down next word, that is cuff. Cuff. Yes, right. Very good dear. Cuff. Yes. Now next word everyone, double F dear. Yes, very good. Now next word, that is huff. Huff. Yes beta. Huff. Huff. Now write down puff. Very good. Puff.
Double F.
Yes. Puff. Done beta. Okay, now write down next word everyone. That is bunk bacha. Bunk. Say Write down trunk. Yes, trunk beta. Trunk. Yes. Yes beta, right. Now write down junk. Junk. Now write down next word. Okay, write down. Junk. Now write down next word, that is brush. Very good. Now write down flush. beta. Now write down next word. That is blush. Blush. Yes. Now write down next word after blush. That is crush. Crush. Yes. And write down very good. Crush. Now write down next word. That is fresh. Fresh.
टीचर हो गया
Very good. Now write down next word. That is trash.
टीचर ट्रैश ना
Trash. Yes, very good. Now write down next word. That is fish. Yes, very good. Now write down wish. Write down wish.
क्या
Wish.
टीचर इसका कैसे हो गया
Yes, now write down next word. That is dish. Very good. Now write down next word. That is shop. Now write down ship. Ship. Ship.
टीचर पहले शॉप भी जाना
Yes, beta. After shop, ship. Yes. Now write down sheep. Sheep. Very good. Now write down next word. That is shut. Yes, very good. Now write down next word. That is shell. Yes, beta. Now write down next word, everyone. Write down chain. Right, dear. Very good. Chain. Now write down new word. It is chair. Say and write down chair. Chair.